Hello. Okay, so this video we're going to look at extending the C major scale on the ukulele. So we have learned C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Now we're going to take this and go higher. C, D, E, F, G. We're going to go up to the G. So A, B, C, D. If we think of the scale and where those semitones are. So if there's a whole tone, there's going to be, the notes are going to be 2 frets apart. So C, D, E. So they're all 2 frets apart. And also just look at the pattern of, like the spacing, okay, a 3-note group of C, D, E in that shape. So C, D, E, we know F is the first semitone in the scale between E and F. So C, D, E, F. So there's only C, D, E, F, and then between F and G is a whole tone. So C, D, E, F, G. We also run into the issue of fingering because this is all on one string, and what fingers to use. And there's not just one way to do it, but say if I was coming up to the C, I might just play 2 notes, C and D. So I've got middle finger, so finger 2 and 3, and then switch to first finger for E, F, E, F, G. Well, I often think of, like, especially with guitar and ukulele, groups of 2 and 3, often 3, but sometimes 2, and the fingering, because we might just do a 2 or 3 fingers here and then move up to get to the next notes. We also can go down. So when we talk about playing horizontally, this is what we're doing. When we want to play vertically, up and down. Okay, we haven't got into notes in this area yet. So we're playing horizontally to get to these higher notes all in one string. So C, D, E, F, G. You could also maybe go 1, 2, 3, and then switch. Just try and show that up close. C, D, E, and then F, G, or C, D. Or actually, if we're coming from here, so C, D, E, F, G. And from the very low C, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, those are just something to think about. It's also very useful to see these 3-note and 2-note groupings. So the way the notes are laid out, you're either going to have, when you're playing melodies, and it's all on one string, like a 2 or 3-note grouping, you're going to have that first one, you're going to have 3 notes that are 2 frets apart, or whole tones, or you're going to have 2 notes that are semitone and then a whole tone, or you're going to have the whole tone here and then the semitone there, and then we're back up to the semitone and a whole tone. So there's only 3 combinations there that we saw. The semitone and then the whole tone. 3 notes that are a tone apart. The whole tone and then the semitone. And then again, that's the first one. Pattern. I'm just playing it in different rhythms. That's always useful. And I'm creating a pattern out of it. So that's the first video on those notes. I'm going to stop it there.